Floating on the skyline, breathing in the glow. Every step I take, I feel my spirit grow. City lights beneath me, shimmer like a dream. Rising on the currents of a radiant beam. We're elevated, reaching for the sky. Won't hesitate, we let our limits fly. Don't stop, keep going, feel the endless flow. High above the chaos, watch us rise and glow. Since the starlight, guiding every move. Lessons in this art to show me how to find my groove. Light becomes my compass, leading out of might. In this endless journey, I discover my own flight. Hold the vision close, feel it come alive. On this wave of hope, we learn to thrive. Through the haze of doubt, our purpose starts to show. Every breath we take ignites the glow. We're elevated, reaching for the sky. Won't hesitate, we let our limits fly. Don't stop, keep going, feel the endless flow. High above the chaos, watch us rise and glow. Stay elevated, let your spirit know. Don't stop, keep going, let your colors show. Elevate, elevate, let your soul ascend. Elevate, elevate on this whispered wind. Elevate, elevate, angel voices soar. Elevate, elevate, rising evermore. Morning breaks and pastel hues, guiding where I roam. Every echo of the corn reminds me I'm not alone. Waves of sound surround me, lifting me from below. Now I see the pathway where I'm meant to go. We're elevated, hearts aligned as one. Won't hesitate, our journey's just begun. Don't stop, keep soaring, feel the radiant flow. High above the limits, watch your spirits glow.
Floating, rising, elevated. Lost in city lights, feel the rhythm take control. Every beat ignites my soul, watch my spirit unfold. Concrete dreams ignite a vibrant gleam. We're elevated, past the blue. No hesitation, breaking every rule. Keep it going, feel this undeniable flow. Above the static, watch our energy glow. Spirit,
flow, yeah. Watch it go, spirit glow. Let it go. Cloud of sound, spinning round, lost and found, lost and found. Feel the flow, yeah. Watch it go, spirit glow. Let it go.